We ordered our Commander XT700 in December and got it at the end of June. It was certainly a long wait, but I'll tell you, it was well worth it. We brought our new baby home and started immediately installing the Super ATV flip windshield and the rear window. It took us over 2 hours to install them both, mostly because Joanne made me read the instructions and watch YouTube videos, which slowed down my ordinary process of jumping in with both feet. Well, we also had to buy a 6.5 by 12 foot trailer to accommodate the new toy. That wasn't fun. I installed the Ericsson tie downs. They work so much better than just ratcheting the machine down. I can't recommend them enough. There she is, guys, on the Maiden voyage. Taking her just to break her in. We thought we'd just go to the Myra Road, do a little break-in period. She's a great looking machine. So we put the Super ATV windshield on it, and we put the soft doors from Can-Am, and we put the rack, the back rack. We still have some storage stuff coming. We're going to do action pack boxes, I think, from Rubbermaid, and the 4 of them will fit in here perfect. So let's have a look inside. I've already got a little bit of rust coming through, something from the doors, so I might have to grease it up a little bit. A few drops in. I mean, she's not going to be completely sealed, and we know that. Batteries underneath the seat. This just pulls right off. Storage. Some storage here. With the windshield, you can see with the flip windshield, I can't open that all the way. But it'll work for what we're doing. We have some storage coming, some more supplies, so we can show you when we get going. I was a little concerned that I wouldn't be able to, that the doors wouldn't close because of the hardware for the window. And it probably puts some strain and pressure on the doors. But you know what? I mean, it's not meant to be airtight like a car or watertight like a car, but I think it's going to be fine. It sure is a nice looking machine though. We also put the back window in. It's from Super ATV as well. It's not even dirty yet. Well, we're excited. We can't wait to hit the road. So I guess this is the Maiden voyage. We're going to head out. It's a bit smoky. Not sure why it's so smoky. Just burning stuff off right now, so hopefully this is normal. What do you think so far, Mama?
You know what I like best about it's got a cup holder for my tea. I will tell you, I love it. Not liking these helmets, but they're okay. I'll deal with it. It's a great ride. It's completely different than the ATV. It's going to be a lot drier, more comfortable for me, and it'll be easier to chat with. But so far, so good. Loving it.
So we do have a bit of a misty day. So it's kind of a good experiment to see what the windshield is like. I mean, we know it's not watertight, and we knew that. There's a few drips coming in, but what a difference the windshield makes. Now we do, I mean, we need something on there so that it beads, so it doesn't bead up and stay on there. But the windshield sure helps. I'm sure we got a few scratches along the way now. We're certainly
Breaking her in.
Breaking her in, right? Yeah. But we got a foggy, misty day here in Nova Scotia. So it is what it is. We're enjoying it. Out on the trails, breaking in the new side-by-side, the Can-Am.
The one thing we have to get used to is you're not able to look over to see where you are in the ways of the tires and everything, right? So
it's not like an ATV.
No, absolutely not. But
yeah,
I'm enjoying it a lot more.
couple of times you go up over a hill and then you can't see where the tires are going, right?
Yeah, exactly.
When you're coming over a knoll. Yeah.
But with this windshield though, is we're able to open it up just a tad, and it's perfect. It lets a little bit of fresh air in. I really like that.
Yeah, I do too.
That was Revco, right? Revco.
That's where we bought it, was Revco.ca. It's a super ATV windshield, flip windshield.
And yeah, they ship that super quick too.
They won't promise that it fits the Commander XT, where the especially the 700 where they're new, and they say that it doesn't fit the roof, but like I was able to use my wife's tiny little fingers to get the bolts and up top here to just pinch it in here and get that in. So we didn't have to remove the roof. Some people remove or loosen the roof.
The back window was probably watertight because that took a lot to get that in, and we got it. Frank figured it out, and we got it in, so it's pretty good. I mean,
it was a tough install.
We're not afraid to get wet, so as you can tell, we're just standing up here.
Well, we are from the East Coast, so being wet is par for the course, really. Yeah.
Well, guys, this is my first ride. Handling it like a boss. Not sure how Frank's feeling, but I think he's going to be a little upset when he finds out that I'm going to be on this side more than that side. I just want to let it rip, but we can't go fast yet because we're breaking it in, so slow and steady wins the race. Love it.
We got to get the anti-beading stuff, Rain-X, on the windshield.
Yeah, it's really hard to see. I think I'm wearing my glasses.
Oh, look, she's got chicks.
Babies.
She's got chicks. Let them get big, so they gonna be nice and delicious. nice, shiny, scratchless side by side. What are you thinking?
Well, guys, this has been quite the adventure of our new whip. We have named her the Beast, and so far so good. Loving it. She drives really smooth. Really loving this. It's better than I expected. Really. I mean, what I like is, you know, back when we had the ATV, we had to wrap everything down. Sorry, I'm being attacked here. Everything down, and with the tires whipping the mud and the dirt and mud and dirt and the water up, everything was dirty and soaked. I mean, it is a little dirty, but nothing compared to what it was like. And you know, everything's holding in. I don't think we'll have to ratchet anything down underneath. It'll be held in there nice and well, and it's been a smooth ride. Nice and quiet compared to the ATV, for sure. And it's weird that we can get a little bit more clearance of things, so we're able to go over things a little different. I mean, we're really like to use it more for touring. We're not the type to ride like, you know, like we're, I don't know the right word for it, like we're brave.
like mudders. We're not mudders.
Yeah, we're not mudders. I'm not that brave to be whipping around like that, but yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm glad that we've switched her in. Rain clouds are coming, so we'll be a little bit protected, so that'll be nice. But the deer flies, my lord. Look at that. You've ever seen blood before.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.